Tired of OneDrive starting automatically or syncing your files without asking? Let's go through a simple way to block OneDrive using just your system settings. First, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Then go to the Startup tab. Find Microsoft OneDrive, click it and hit Disable. This stops it from launching every time you start your PC. Now click on the OneDrive cloud icon in the bottom right system tray. Click on the gear icon, then go to Settings. Under the Account tab, click on Unlink this PC. This disconnects OneDrive from your Microsoft account. While you're still in OneDrive settings, go to Sync and Backup and click Manage Backup. Turn off all the folders that you don't want OneDrive to sync. If you want, you can hide the OneDrive folder in File Explorer using a group policy or registry editor, but that step is optional and more advanced. And that's it. OneDrive is now blocked from running automatically and syncing your files. Your system's finally back under your control. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and thank you guys for watching.